Minicam's Crawler Cradle PCC01 adapts the Proteus CRP150 and CRP140 crawlers for use in large diameter pipes. Versatile, quick and easy to attach, the cradle provides extra ground coverage, enabling increased inspection capabilities in pipes and culverts up to 1000 mm. This robust four-wheel drive, steerable cradle is driven through the crawler and features an industry-first gear selector, enabling the user to change between high speed and low torque, or low speed and high torque. Exclusively compatible with Proteus CRP150 and CRP140 crawlers, PCC01 comes supplied with 4 220mm balloon wheels, 2 axle adapters and fixing bolts. For heavily silted pipes, we recommend the optional 250mm balloon wheel, which are also required to centralize the crawler in 1000mm pipes. Key features of the crawler cradle are four-wheel drive, driven by the crawler, steerable, adjustable torque, wide ground clearance, quick and simple installation. Exclusively for use with Proteus CRP150 and CRP140 crawlers. To set up the cradle for use, choose a Proteus CRP150 or CRP140 crawler. Remove the center wheels from each side of the crawler. Slide an axle adapter onto each center axle of the crawler. Lower the crawler onto the cradle, aligning the axle adapters onto the crawler into the axle locators on the cradle. Turn the gear selector to the tortoise or hare position. This acts as a temporary securing mechanism to hold the crawler to the cradle until completely secured. Carefully reposition the crawler on its side. Using a 4mm T-bar Allen key, screw in the supplied bolts to secure the crawler to the cradle. Note, the CRP150 requires just 2 bolts, whilst the CRP140 crawler needs 4 bolts. Having fully tightened the bolts, carefully reposition the cradle into the upright position. Next, connect the crawler to the control unit, ready to start an inspection. To operate the cradle, press the crawler settings key to display the on-screen menu. Press F1 to open the wheel size selection. The cradle gear selector has 2 options: the tortoise, which represents slow, or the hare, which represents fast. Press F6 to activate the cradle into low speed, high torque. Then choose from 3 wheel sizes: 140mm, 220mm, or 250mm. Press F6 again to activate the cradle into high speed, low torque. Then choose from 3 wheel sizes: 140mm, 220mm, or 250mm. The system is now ready to start an inspection. Use the joystick or cruise control buttons to control the cradle, and use the CCU to activate and control the many features of the Proteus system.